If you ever felt tongue-tied, if you ever decided not to order in Spanish or reverted back to English because you were just so nervous to speak and afraid of making mistakes, but then afterwards you were kicking yourself for not being a little more courageous, then I, Juan, Spring Spanish teacher, come to your rescue because I will give you 5 tricks to cure that nervousness so you'll finally dare to speak Spanish and live the adventures and experiences you've been secretly longing for. Acompáñenme. Part of why you get nervous is that you might feel you're not skilled enough at Spanish yet. Bueno, la buena noticia es there are many little tricks you can use to get that confidence you seek little by little. I have 5 of them for you. The first trick, escribir. Here you have the advantage of having the time to think about what you want to say, and you also have the possibility to look words up, all while not having the pressure of a native staring at you, waiting for you to say something. Mi consejo, chat with your Spanish-speaking friends through mobile apps. Write a short story. Send an email or read an article in Spanish and then try to explain it with your own words. Or script out dialogues you'd have in real life in Spanish. Trick number 2. Habla contigo mismo. Fluency comes with practice. Bueno, adivina qué? You can also practice by speaking to yourself. Pro tip, before having a conversation with a native, practice the whole dialogue in your head. Or even talk to yourself out loud. Or, pretend you're having a phone conversation with someone in Spanish. Trick number 3, mensajes de voz. Now, with so many apps and platforms where you can use voice messages, you don't necessarily have to actually engage in a conversation to practice your Spanish. Voice messages give you la oportunidad de practicar lo que vas a decir without the pressure. You can also delete a recording that you're not happy with, and you can script out your message and even read it to feel more comfortable. Trick 4. Conversaciones cortas. Take it easy with your first conversation. No tiene que ser de una hora. You can also just speak with someone for only a minute. This way you can stick to a topic that you feel comfortable with and then slowly ease your way into longer conversations. Trick number 5. Habla con alguien interesado en que aprendas español. Instead of starting to speak with strangers or someone who does not have the time to speak with you, speak to someone who is more invested in your success. This could be a family member or Spanish-speaking friend. It could also be a Spanish tutor, like the ones we have in the Spring Spanish Academy on our website. The link to our academy is in the description. Número 2. Practica, practica, practica. Having said all this, todo mejora con la práctica. The more you practice speaking, the better you get at it, and the less nervous you will be when speaking. Tan simple como eso. Okay, so now I have a special request for you. Una pequeña tarea. I want you to try out 3 of these tricks this week and let me know in the comments which ones you tried and how it worked for you. In Spanish, of course. I'll make sure to check them out. Did you know that you can pretend that you are fluent in Spanish long before you actually are? Well, polyglots, people that speak many languages, actually do this all the time. Imagine how much that'll reduce your nervousness. Intrigued how it works? Well, I have shot a whole video that shows how you can do this too. Just click the image that just appeared in the screen and you will get directly to that video. And I will see you